Right, you can look at the oscilloscope and see the power it's generating. It's only a small amount at the moment. I'm just holding it though in position. Ooh. Look at the oscilloscope, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, that's about 1 volt per 1 volt it's generated at the moment. Just spinning it. If I stop it, you'll see it stop. Right, so I've stopped it now. So that's just a test with the coil on the end of this nail file. That's 1 coil. There's 6 on each one, so that's 6 volts.
Oh right. Yeah.
So and then there'll be another 6. So it'll be when it got all the coils, it'll be 12 volts.
How much can 12 volts power?
Well, it can charge up my solar battery.
Oh right. Okay.